A black bird appeared in my dream. What does this dream mean? Please explain clearly.
Okay, I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. Hello, let's talk about the dream you had. First, please tell us what you saw in your dream.
I saw a black bird in my dream.
A black bird? That may require some attention. When black objects appear in a dream, it is considered an ominous sign. This dream suggests a potentially unstable situation or trouble.
Oh, really?
Yes, but dreams are mere symbols, not direct predictors of reality. For example, if a large black bird like a crow appears in your dream, you should be careful. This dream implies that an accident or trouble may occur. Dreaming that a black bird is perched on the windowsill of a house is also considered a bad sign. This dream suggests that you may be in serious trouble. However, if you dream that a black bird enters your house, it suggests that your family fortune may decline. It is important for those who have this dream to pay attention to their family and try to avoid danger.
I see, so the dream is just a symbol. Thank you.
If a black bird perches on your hand in your dream, it suggests that work-related problems may arise. It is important for those who dream this dream to adjust their schedules to allow more time to deal with the trouble. Finally, if a large black bird appears in the dream, it suggests the possibility of major trouble or accidents. Those who dream this dream should increase their awareness of crisis management and minimize damage by taking action as soon as possible. If you are able to catch the black bird, it implies that you are able to solve the problem. The black bird in your dream can be considered a problem you are struggling with. Catching the black bird in your dream can be interpreted as your desire to solve the problem being fulfilled in your dream. Freud, the psychologist who laid the foundation for dream analysis, taught that we dream to fulfill our desires. Catching the black bird in your dream may be related to your desire to solve a problem. So if you have a problem that is bothering you, you should do your best to take steps to solve it. If you are young, the dream of catching the black bird in your dream symbolizes a desire to grow up. The act of catching it means that you have a goal and you want to get it. You must grow in order to achieve your goals and fulfill your desires. In this sense, the dream of catching a black bird in a dream can be interpreted as a desire to grow. Also, catching a black bird in a dream is an active action. Unless the person who catches it takes some measures to do so, catching it is not possible. This can be interpreted as a dream when you are working hard to achieve a goal, and it is leading to steady growth. Or, it is a dream in which you are trying to establish your own style for growth, and the shape of that style is dimly visible but remains vague. In this case, I believe the bird in your dream is black because you interpret your growth as difficult.
I dreamed that I rescued a black bird, but I was worried whether it was a good dream or not, because black birds have an ominous image.
Actually, a dream in which you save a black bird is considered a very good dream. In your dream, the fact that you help the black bird shows that you are attentive to details. It also indicates that you are willing to do something in your power.
I see. I certainly felt a sense of accomplishment that I was able to help.
Yes, I did. And I am sure that the people around you were pleased as well. This dream also indicates that your relationships will be successful in the future. If you are thinking about finding a job or changing careers, you should know that you have a desire to do work that helps others. A good heart that wants to help others will give you confidence and help you find happiness. The fact that you are helping the black bird in your dream means that in reality you have the desire to help others with their problems and to do something about them. However, you are not able to help them because you are either not capable of helping yourself or you are ashamed of helping them. You want to help, but you are not able to, and this frustration is appearing in your dream. The black bird in your dream represents someone close to you, such as a friend or someone at work. When the creepy bird, the crow, appears, the mind is in a state of fear of new events. People often feel a sense of fear toward crows, which are smart and cruel, and the crow that appears in the dream gives the same impression. In addition to Freud, the first psychiatrist to seriously study dreams, another psychologist named Jung classified dreams into several types. According to Jung's dream analysis, people use dreams to organize their feelings in order to achieve their goals. This idea, like the psychiatrist Freud, is that dreams are not merely to fulfill desires, but to adjust oneself for one's future success. If you are in a relationship, be calm and cautious once you are in love.
I dreamt of a black bird that died during my dream.
Interesting. Dreaming of a black bird dying can indicate that you are anticipating bad things to happen in the future. This might be a reflection of your lowered self-confidence.
That makes sense. Is there anything I can do about it?
Yes, try not to be preoccupied with unpleasant things and act with a relaxed mind. It's important to focus on positive thoughts and build up your self-confidence.
I see. What if I dreamt of killing a black bird?
Dreaming of killing a blackbird suggests that you will be free from unpleasant things in the future. It means that you will be able to get out of the difficult situation you are in now. So, it's actually a positive sign.
That's good to hear. Thank you for explaining it to me.
Dreaming of being attacked by a blackbird suggests trouble at home. It means that you will have a fight with your parents or siblings in the near future. Try to have more opportunities for conversation. Dreaming that you are attacked by a blackbird indicates that something bad is happening to you mentally. Here are some ways to deal with such a situation. There is a psychological method called reframing that can change the way you perceive a change in your environment. Reframing is the process of taking another look at the current sensation from a different angle. This method is utilized in sports psychology, educational psychology, and clinical psychology. The key to reframing is to start by recognizing the feeling once it is felt. If there is something you are not good at, first recognize it as something you are not good at, and then reassess it from a different angle to find what you could do. The steps of reframing are to recognize the event as it is, to reevaluate the event from various angles, and to make it within your control when reevaluating it. This reframing will reduce your stress. After the dream, if there are changes in you, you can reframe the dream. I will explain if you did not have a bad impression of the blackbird in your dream. When you dream of a blackbird flying, it is a time when your ambition is high and you are feeling full of power. Basically, dreaming of flying birds is a very good dream when you are psychologically energetic. You will be able to overcome any difficulties and grow as a person. Since you are in a powerful state mentally and physically, it is a good idea to be active in a variety of things. It would also be a good idea to not be tied down to one thing, but to take opportunities to improve yourself, such as developing your artistic sense or finding new hobbies. To dream of a bird flying away means independence and taking a leap forward. It indicates that you will have the opportunity to take on new challenges, such as becoming independent away from your parents or taking on a major assignment at work. A blackbird appearing in a dream can mean disaster. A bird in a dream is a symbol that conveys the ill will of others. This dream may foretell that you may have trouble in your relationships in the near future. The number of birds in your dream can predict the number of people involved in the trouble. If the number of birds is small, it is possible that the problem can be resolved internally. If a large number of birds appear, caution is advised. You should be prepared and ready to deal with the trouble, because the trouble may not be solved by you alone. You cannot change your environment. Psychologist Adler explained that you cannot change others, but you can change your way of thinking and your future actions. Think about how you felt when the blackbird appeared in your dream. Your feelings at that time are your feelings about the bad things that are about to happen to you. The dream contains hints to help you deal with the trouble. As the psychologist Adler explained, it is better to concentrate only on what you can change and not to think about the troubles you cannot change. You can't change the trouble, so it is important how you accept and deal with it. When you see a blackbird such as a crow in your dream, it is related to your fears and insecurities in your real life. When you dream of a blackbird, you should be prepared to deal with the troubles that will befall you in the future.
Good. If you found this video useful, smash the good button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you have another strange dream, look here.